Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast Aqua Talks presented by MANAGE-FISHub. This platform brings you inspiring stories, innovations and impact-driven startups from the aquaculture and fisheries ecosystem. This episode is quite different because today we will listen the internship journey from our MANAGE-FISHub interns. Now we have with us Mr. Santhosh Kumar, MANAGE-FISHub intern. Hello Santhosh, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. What about you?
Yeah, I am good Santhosh. So before we begin, I would like to ask you how do you feel to be here today for reflecting your internship journey?
I usually used to be the you are taking this kind of podcast with the various startups and participants or speakers coming to this. So now I'm so proud to sit here and give a podcast with you, ma'am. I'm kind of feeling so proud about it.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, so what inspired you to enter into this internship journey? Especially what were your expectation before joining here?
So I was keep on following Manage website for the past 1 year. I was keep on looking for any opportunities where I can enroll myself or I can contribute to Manage. So there in recently, as I'm from a fisheries background, I was keep on following Manage as I told you earlier. In recently in 2025 by July they started this MANAGE-FISHub. So there I got to see a notification of saying that there is an internship opportunity available in MANAGE-FISHub. So okay, I got a best opportunity. I should apply for this apply for this internship. So I just got enrolled in it and I attended interviews, and the 6 months which I spent here, it's kind of one of the valuable time, and I learned various lessons in the 6 month journey.
Okay, so you learned a lot of skill, it seems, right? Okay, that sounds very nice. How would you describe the learning environment provided by the Manage Fishhub, and especially what are the skills you learned through this entire internship journey of 6 months?
I will say that the experience which I had is a kind of roller coaster. Like every job, there will be an ups and downs in this thing. So it's up to you how you're handling the ups, and ups to you how you're handling the downs. But my mentor, like Dr. Saravanan sir, he taught me how to deal with those ups and downs in our life. Especially this, the experience which I got in this internship, I will incorporate in my life. So the major skills which I learned in this 6 months internship is I came to know to how to understand peoples, because I was studying in this college the routine UG PG life which I had. But after coming to that office life, as I also want to be an entrepreneur or aquapreneur in the future, this 6 months place, the space provided by Dr. Sarananda sir, it gives me a place to understand how the peoples, how they will think, how they will act. So this kind of gets a kind of understanding. As well as actor, like I have been coordinating several programs across the many states, and I also handle some of webinars. So this gave me some coordination skills, communication skills. So this internship improved my coordination and communication skills.
Okay, so obviously it clearly seems like Manage is the good platform to learn something new, as well as you can apply this learning skill in your daily life also. So of course you learned a lot, I think. So as you mentioned, like you learned a skills like a communication skill and coordination skill. I think you missed one skill. It's a networking skill. Am I right?
Yeah, that's the most important thing I learned here.
Yeah, obviously, you might conduct many programs during this 6 months. You may conduct many programs and you may meet many people like new founders, new experts, scientists, everyone. So, how it feels, how it helps you to improve your networking skill.
So during my college days in my masters, I used to attend various programs, webinars, and conferences. I just be as a participant or just a presenter. I will just come present my topic and I will just leave after having food. But I don't know what is happening at the back end, backstage. What is happening? But this manage platform helps me to understand. Like on stage is kind of so easy than the backstage. So in the backstage you want to manage from the A to Z, right from the calling the participant, finalizing the participant, getting the food for them, and maintaining the flow of the program. So this kind of improved my coordination skills in particular, so which I told you earlier I will incorporate in my life.
Okay, Santosh. So, could you share some activities or the field experiences that you are involved during your internship program? Like any stories behind those programs?
For the past 6 months on my tenure in MANAGE-FISHub, I had an opportunity to conduct several programs such as the fisheries startup stakeholders meet at Tamil Nadu, as well as fisheries startup and aquapreneurship stakeholders meet at Manage Hyderabad, a national policy workshop on entrepreneurship in fisheries in Hyderabad. As well as I had an opportunity to visit Lakshadweep as a part of Matsya Mela to exhibit the MANAGE-FISHub activities, how they are helping in promoting the fisheries entrepreneurship in the sector, and how they are transforming the normal livelihood dependent sector into an innovation entrepreneurship driven sector. So it's a kind of opportunity to me to conduct these kind of programs.
So, can we know about that Lakshadweep experiences, like how you felt as you represented MANAGE-FISHub there? So, how the people are there, especially the fisheries sector?
Matsya Mela, it's a kind of a very good experience which I had in my life. I want to sincerely thank to Saravan sir for giving that opportunity. So right from that December month, I had this to see that notification of Matsya Mela, the event which was conducted in Lakshadweep. So I approached sir, whether can we go and exhibit our MANAGE-FISHub activities and products, so that the islanders who don't know much about what is happening in the mainland, so they can have some ideas of what how the incubation center actually works. So to teach them what is happening in our India, particularly. So I just traveled. So it's a kind of experience where I from here I went through bus to reach Kochi. From that Kochi, first time in my life, I had that ferry experience of going through a boat and reaching Lakshadweep for overnight. Entire island have a population of 35,000. So this all 35,000 people attended that exhibition. And to an extent is that some of the youngsters have influence are attracted by our initiatives, by MANAGE-FISHub initiatives, and they themselves went to KVK and inquired about MANAGE-FISHub. So what are these MANAGE-FISHub is doing brilliantly within short period, how they are doing this kind of, if chance we can conduct some training programs. So that's kind of experience. So actually these people have idea, but they don't know where to start, how to start, if they start, how they can scale. So it's a kind of experience to me.
Yeah, that's very interesting story actually. 6 months internship experience. So overall, how this kind of experience will be helpful for your career, for your future? So what's next?
After coming to MANAGE-FISHub, I followed one mantra which I want to tell to others also. Come, learn, earn, and return. In the sense to brief that, you come with an as a blank person, you don't know anything, like you leave what you had before, like you know some strategies, everything you know, but come with a blank person, learn here, understand the ecosystem here, how the startup ecosystem is doing, the impact in this thing, earn the knowledge. So talk with the mentors, earn the knowledge, gain some knowledge, and return as a proper professional, as the proper person, both personally and professionally. So that mantra for success or mantra for any internship which I followed, and I just want to tell is that come, learn, earn, and return.
Oh, that's very nice, Mr. Santhosh. So it's clearly shows like Manage is kind of good platform to learn something and to do something innovative. And of course, it's from your journey, I can easily understand like before 6 months who you are and now what, like how much of knowledge you gained and so much of practical exposures, field knowledges. So it shapes you very well for your future career. All the very best, Santosh. Do well. Thank you. Thank you for having here today in our Aqua Talks podcast. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So this is our podcast Aqua Talks presented by MANAGE-FISHub. We brings you inspiring stories, innovations and impact-driven startups from the aquaculture and fisheries ecosystem. Until the next episode, this is Dr. Niveta CK signing off. Thank you for watching.